Hi guys, it's Matt from MTTPMR here. Today I'm going to show you how to solder copper pipe like a pro. Here we go. There it is. These are soldering fittings. If you can see the little nibs on them. Inside, if it'll focus, you can see that it's already got lead all the way around it. These are so much easier to fit than flush end. See? These look better, but ideally if you're novice you're going to want to use the soldering fittings because there's nothing in there whatsoever. Let me say, a little bit of wire wool. Always want to clean out your NZ fittings. Solder, you can get lead free or with lead, your choice, doesn't really make a difference. Obviously definitely need a bit of flux, you'll see why shortly, and gas bottle. As you can see, this piece had the flux, it's got a seal all the way around. Lovely bit of wire wool, it'll go on. My flux has lead, it's got lead in it, so obviously little bits as it's gone round. So, bit of wire wool will clean that up. The bit that hasn't, not the flux, you cannot see it whatsoever. It's got a strong hold on it, but I would not trust it in your pipes. Obviously flux always. Alright then guys, onto the flush end feeds. Bit of flux on one side, no flux on the other, just so you can see what it's like. Obviously fit it in, clean the excess off, don't use your finger, use a clean rag. Yeah, get your blowtorch, a bit of lead already, bit of flux on it, heat it up evenly, don't keep it on one spot obviously, it burns through. There you go, a little bit, slight little melt, and it's like a vacuum, it'll suck it up and then it gives you a nice seal. Onto the non-flux size now, and you'll see instantly the blowtorch will just melt the lead. It does not key, and there's no suction in it to pull it up around all the light fitting. It just melts. These are flush end fittings. You can see non-flux area. Didn't really go smooth or anything. It just wanted to go where it wanted, melted. It's not really done a. See it there. No suction in it. Pulled it around. No nothing. There's the bit with flux. Nice and little vacuum, and it sucks it in. A bit of wire wool. That'll clean up very nicely.